In this video, we'll be looking at how to fill the IIM Amritsar IPM form. Now, one thing you have to make sure that this form you can fill only if you have maths, applied maths, or statistics in your grade 11 and 12, right? And this will be taking through the IPMAT Indore score. The last date to fill the form is 31st of March. So here, when you click on the link that is given to you, you will reach this page where you need to register yourself. So I'll quickly register with all the details mentioned here. So I've entered the nationality, mobile number, email, name as per your mark sheet. Enter your email ID as well as create a password for this. Once you have done this, you can click on register. And on registration, you will be getting a message, registration successful. You can click on go back to login and then enter your details here. So the same email ID and password that I've used in registration, I've entered it here and I'll click on login. Before you enter, you make sure that in the email ID, you will be getting a message where you need to verify your email. Only once you have verified your email, it will allow you to log into this. And here we will start filling in the data. So the initial data will already be filled. So we can go to the program details, click on integrated program and management, apply now. Once you click on this, you will get some information which you are supposed to fill here, starting with your address. So I've entered my address. If your address is same as the permanent address, you can just click on here, same parents details, and then your academics where in 12 you will put appearing, enter your board, school name, the specialization, that is the stream, and in 10th they are asking for a specialization, though it's not applicable. You can write science, maths, or you can write not applicable. Then you can click on save and continue. Now this is where you'll have to enter your IPMAT ID. So, and the extracurricular achievements. So whatever extracurricular achievements you have, please mention it here. And you can keep adding this with the plus button. So as of now, I'm leaving this blank. Similarly, any awards that you have been there, you have been appointed, nominated, you can write down in the awards, rewards, recognition, and professional. If you have done any internship, it is where you can put it here. If you have won anything in the Olympiads, you can put it here. Anything related to sports will go above in the extracurricular, sports, arts, anything. So, two, three things that we need to do here is one, we need to register with our IPMAT ID, upload our 10th mark sheet and certificate, and the IPMAT registration, so application form. So I've entered my IPMAT ID. I've uploaded my mark sheet here. If you have a distinction certificate, passing certificate, or if you have anything behind in the mark sheet where it is written, you can upload it here in the certificate. Else you can upload the mark sheet again. Any extra diploma degrees that you can mention it here. Once done, you can go to save and continue. I've uploaded my photo, parents' photo, signature, and parents' signature. Make sure that it is as per the pixel that is mentioned below. If it is not, you can just go to paint and change the pixel to this level. Click on I acknowledge the declaration place, whichever city you are filling it from. So I've put in Ahmedabad here. And you will now have this entire form ready. Once that is there, you can just preview all the details are correct. And once you verified the detail, there will be a submit button. Click on the submit button and you will get the option of making the payment. The fees is 2000 for this. You can just click on pay now and then make the payment using any of the UPI, credit card or debit card. So that's it. This is how you'll be filling the Amritsar form. Make sure that you fill this form before 31st of March. Thank you all of you.